So when starting off providing a traction technique for the stiff elbow, we're going to start in a maximal loose pack position for the humeral ulnar joint, which is 70 degrees of flexion, 10 degrees of supination. But we want to apply a belt so that we don't have to work so hard while stabilizing the distal end of the humerus. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a belt and we're going to use the buccal side coming in, and we're going to wrap this around twice. And if you don't have like a soft padding, you can just use like a washcloth or a small towel. But we're going to wrap it around. I'm going to go around one more time. Good. Okay, so we've got 2 layers. This is going to come up, and now I'm going to attach the belt back on itself so I can shorten this up a little bit. You want to make sure the belt is coming across the anterior aspect of the shoulder. So as you do the tractioning technique, you're not seeing anterior tilting of the scapula. So we're going to come in and we can either use a clip where we would bring it back on itself here. Let's take out the tail here. We also want to have a cuff weight underneath here. That's going to further stabilize the distal humerus. So let's make sure this is nice and tight. I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. Good. So when you do the traction technique, we're going to start at 70 degrees of flexion, 10 degrees of supination. I'm going to rest his arm right on my shoulder. I'm going to come in, my traction direction is 45 degrees from the ulnar diaphysis, or the ulnar shaft. So I'm going to be coming in here, and I'm going to pull. I can pick up the slack, I can do a grade 3 or a grade 4 static hold. And then I can come down a little bit lower. As he improves, I can pre-position it in extension and pronation, because that's the coupled motion for the elbow. And I can perform my traction technique here.